Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money in Huobi. First, you will need to log into your Huobi account. Once logged in, locate the deposit option, usually found under your wallet or assets section. This is your gateway to bringing funds onto the platform. It is a straightforward process, but paying close attention to details is crucial for a smooth transaction. We will guide you through each step to ensure your funds arrive safely. Once you are on the deposit page, the next critical step is to select the cryptocurrency you intend to deposit. For example, if you are depositing Bitcoin, select BTC. Immediately after, you must choose the correct network. This is extremely important. For instance, if you are sending funds via the ERC20 network, you must select ERC20 on Huobi as well. A mismatch here could result in the irreversible loss of your assets. After selecting your cryptocurrency and network, Huobi will generate a unique deposit address. This address is like a bank account number for your digital assets. It is vital to copy this address accurately. Even a single incorrect character can send your funds to the wrong place. Always double-check the address after copying. Then, paste this exact address into the withdrawal section of the platform from which you are sending your funds. With the deposit address correctly entered into your sending platform, you can now initiate the transfer. Once the transaction is sent, it will need to be confirmed on the blockchain. This process usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to about 1 hour, depending on the network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency. You can track the status of your deposit by checking the transaction history within your Huobi account to confirm its successful arrival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.